Let me show you how I made this beautiful infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this arrow 7 shape and drag it over here like this. Use this point to resize it and place it like this, and go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and again press Ctrl D to duplicate, and make sure the gap are same. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this and place it here. Go to Shape Outline, make it white outline. Go to Shape Outline, change the white to 4 point, and go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and make it inside center, and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and again press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now let me select this one and this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, select a fill color from here. Select this one and this one. Go to Shape Fill, select another fill color. Select this one and this one. Shape Fill, select another fill color. This one, Shape Fill, let me select another fill color, and this is looking perfect. Now double click on this, right here 1 and change the font. Double click on this, right here 2 and change the font. Double click on this, right 3 and change the font. Double click on this, right here 4 and change the font. Now I have to add some icons. Go to Insert, go to Icon, select an icon from here, click on Insert and place it here. Hold down the Shift key and resize it and place it here. Go to Graphics Fill and make it white fill color and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and duplicate. Click on right button, go to Change Graphics from Icon, select another icon from here. Click on right button, Change Graphics from Icon, select another one. Click on right button, Change Graphics from Icon, select another one. And let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and write some text here. Let me write some demo text. Let me write here plan. Change the font and the font color and the font size. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. You can change your text according to your own style. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and place it here. Go to Shape Format, you may change the white 0.05 and place it here. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it here. Place it like this. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and draw it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and place it here. Now let me select these three, press Ctrl G to group them together, click on right button and send it to back. Go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper and select this fill color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here. Click on right button, send it to back, press Ctrl D to duplicate and again press Ctrl D to duplicate. Send it to back and send it to back. Select this one, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, this color, eyedropper, this color. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it here, write some text here. Let me write some text here. Let me decrease the font size and change the font color from here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, Ctrl D to duplicate and again duplicate. Now let me select this one, go to text color, select this color. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box. Let me zoom out and write here plan infographic and change the font and font size and place it here. Now I have to add some animation. Let me select this one, go to animation, click on wipe, effect option from left, change the duration to 0.75, then click on this, click on zoom, after previous 0.75, and let me select this one. Click on wipe effect option from top 0.75 after previous, then select this one. Click on float in, change 0.50 and after previous, and I am doing the same task for all. I can use the format painter. Now let me watch the slideshow. This is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.